So it's late, and I just got my Apple Watch. So I'm so excited. You should have seen me. I was hyperventilating and everything. I'm just gonna unbox it. Careful is the key. Then removing this plastic piece. Doesn't smell like anything, like they're supposed to. I'm excited. My Apple Watch Series 1. Where is the watch? They were greeted by a piece of paper that says designed by Apple in California. The Apple Watch is designed by Apple in California. So, I already unboxed this Apple Watch. Well, I didn't unbox it. I just ripped off the plastic. It's down there somewhere. And then we had camera difficulties. So we swapped cameras, and we don't need that. And, here is my new Apple Watch. Apple Watch Series 1. So, let's open up and see the watch. And the first thing we see is designed by Apple in California, and then the watch itself. So first, I'm going to set the watch aside for now, because I already see it and everything. So what we have in here, we have our literature. Just pause if you want to see it. We also have warranty info. And that's pretty much it. I thought there'd be more. Because I know in the bigger Apple Watches, well, I'd say the ceramic ones, the ceramic Apple Watches, they come with extra bands. So this one doesn't. And let's be ready for the big reveal. This Apple Watch looks amazing. Hope you have no other camera difficulties. This is the Apple Watch. And it looks amazing. Oh yeah, where's my charger? I think we're gonna have to buy a charger at the Apple Store, because it's not coming with one. Oh, you can actually see the liquid crystal display. My aluminum small medium 38mm Apple Watch. By the way, I wear my watch on my right arm, but I'm right-handed. So I feel like I'm kind of ambidextrous. I am ambidextrous. I'm gonna go play around with this Apple Watch. Hey guys, so if you saw the previous clip, that was me unboxing this Apple Watch Series 1. It's over a year and a half later, and I still haven't published it. And it's Christmas Eve, and it's tradition in our family that parents open up their gifts early. So my mom got this random Apple Watch Series 4. I'm probably more excited than she is. I am more excited than she is. Don't be alarmed, it's not going to be my watch. So don't act like I'm spoiled or anything. But now everyone in our family has a watch! Let's see the unboxing. I'm going to shut this iPad. It's not even my iPad, it's my dad's. To be honest. That iPhone XR wasn't even mine. I didn't make that clear. It's my dad's. Okay, so it has an engraved. I've seen unboxings of this from September when it came out. And it has it's told it has a really cool design pattern. Am I still in frame? Okay. Rebel, be quiet. Rebel's my dog. So you pull the tab. Oh God, it's a different tab design. It's not the guide rail thing. It's you pull it and it rips the thing. Okay. If this is a bad clip, we can't go back because it rips. The old ones, it's sticky tab. I'll show you. Oh, I see. No. A lot of people are mystified about how this works. I used to have it down, but now I don't. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. I remember seeing there's a cool pattern. I watched iJustine, by the way. Subscribe to her. A link will be in the description, maybe. Okay, so a white watch band. And this cool mosaic pattern. See, Mom? This cool mosaic pattern. See, it's covering up my face, but see, it's really cool. This is the watch. See, edge to edge, kind of ends at the screen border. It's very basic. You just seriously just lift the thing. The watch comes in this cloth case. Really cool and neat. My mom has never used an Apple Watch, so I will have to teach her. Haptogram? It's cellular version. So we're ready. She's ready to pay extra. A watch cable. Now we have 4 watch cables in the family. 5 watch cables in the family. A power brick, which I'm probably never going to unwrap. And designed by Apple in California. It has, what does it have? Oh, instruction. I'm getting started, charging. This one has the EKG. It's ECG. Everyone says EKG. It's ECG. I say ECG. I just said K, though. This, no stickers. No! I love Apple stickers. You should see my collection. That's a quote from myself from my iPhone 10 video. My dad's just drinking eggnog just behind the scenes. Wonderfully drinking eggnog. This is a little watch case. Mom, see? The watch comes in the case. Oh, I'm showing my mom everything. She's sitting on the couch. You take this out. The back. It is amazing. It's already starting. It's already starting. It's already starting up. Okay, I'm just going to open this. Can you see that I'm clearly taking this off? And I'm clearly opening the watch cable because we need the watch cable. If it was lightning cable, then no, God, no, I would not be opening it. But we don't have enough watch cables in the family. I love this watch cable. You just take off the little papery wrapping stuff, take off the stuff on the side, and my dad's going to the bedroom. And there we go. Watch cable is ready. It's magnetic, and the Apple Watch is ready to pair. Mom, can you bring your phone near the watch so it can set up? Open the watch app.
It doesn't have an app.
Yes, it does. It always does. Extras. Oh, okay. So apparently I am only allowed to do unboxing, but this is the Apple Watch Series 4. We haven't opened up the band. This is standard Apple Watch band stuff. You could use this 38 band. You could use this 38 band that I'm wearing, but yeah. I hate silver stuff. Even though my main phone is silver, I don't like it. I'd rather have a space gray or yellow iPhone. I'm just gonna break the packaging to open it. How long is this?
5 minutes.
Oh, that's not that bad. In here, some random piece of paperwork. I remember that from my watch. And in here is a band. I'm probably just gonna take out the small size. Is this small? Small. Okay. Dad, do you think Mom would need a small band or a large band? It comes with 2 sizes.
Small.
Okay. And so I always put my watch bands on upside down just because there we go. This is the watch. My dad's telling me we gotta cut the scene short. Oh, okay, so this is the watch. I'm gonna do a. Wait, I need to teach my mom how to use it. Hey guys, as a tradition in our family, we unbox some presents on Christmas Eve, and parents could open most of their presents. My dad has to adjust the lens. But on Christmas Day, I got a new Apple Watch too. So everyone has a 3 and above, and I have like 6 3 boxes from my family and friends. So, let's open this up. Did that even cut? It didn't. There we go. Penetration of the box. And this is the Apple Watch Series 3. Is it recording? Okay, so you open up the box. And you have what you usually have, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. You have how to use it, lack of Apple stickers, and a large band. We all know this because it's the exact same as the Series 1 when the Series 3 came out, so it should be the same when the 4 when the 3 came out. 3 when the 4 came out. This is a cellular version. It will not be activated just because my parents just aren't activating cellular. There's instructions on how to apply the watch band. This looks really sleek. Wow. We don't need this. We probably don't need that. It comes with a brick. This is a surprise because the Series 1 didn't come with a brick. Did not. But this one clearly does, and I'm never going to open it because we already have 65 bricks and watch chargers. And now, my old watch, I'm going to use as a night watch so I can track my sleep. So that's a thing. That's what I've been planning to do this whole time. And so that is an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3. I got to unbox a lot more Christmas gifts, so we got to wrap this up right now.
I do like it.